Hi, I'm going to show you how we store our cloth diapers. So I actually used this old desk and upcycled it to a changing table. And this is the dresser that we use for clothes, but also for cloth diapers. So you can see in the top drawer we have prepped diapers. So what that means is there's already the insert in there and the stay dry liner, and it's just folded. And then I also have just a little bin here with cloth wipes, and I'll just take those out as we need them and wet them as needed. Then in the third drawer, I keep all the extra inserts and my bamboo ones, my boosters. We also keep our wet bags in here. So then we'll just head over to our changing station. So I bought these two baskets from Dollarama. And this one in the back is where I keep my prepped overnight diapers. I'll just show you what that looks like. So these are actually from Little Helper. I use the overnight insert, which are the two black ones. And I also use the booster. So that's all I'll need for the overnight. And it's just handy because it's already right there after bath time, and then we could just put that on. So those are our overnights. And this is usually my day lineup, so I just put 5 diapers in there and some extra inserts just as we need them, and we usually use those up in a day. And then in this one drawer, I actually keep stay dry liners. Those are also from Little Helper and some of my own little DIY inserts. And this is our large wet bag, also from Little Helper, and this is where we store our dirty diapers. So we'll just throw them in there. And yeah, that's about it. So that's the changing station with my day diapers, the overnights, and then our dresser. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at fluff.mama for some more fun cloth diapering tips. Have a great day.